Hello friends, welcome to Tech Learning YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the different types of fire extinguisher. After this video, we will be able to identify different types of fire extinguisher. We will learn which type of fire extinguisher must be used on different types of fire. So let's get started. Let's come to our first fire extinguisher, which is water fire extinguisher. The label color of water fire extinguisher is bright red. Water fire extinguisher work by removing the heat element of fire. Friends, as you know, the fire is consisting of three elements: heat, fuel and oxygen. To stop the fire, we need to stop the supply of any one of these elements. The water fire extinguisher is best suitable for class A fire like organic material, wood, paper, fabric, textile, coal and most of plastic items. The water fire extinguisher is not suitable for fire in electrical equipment, flammable liquids or flammable metal fires. The next fire extinguisher is foam fire extinguisher. Foam fire extinguisher label color is cream. It works by removing the heat and separating the oxygen element of fire. Foam fire extinguisher can be used for Class B fire as well as Class A fire. Foam Class B fire include the flammable liquid fire like paint, petrol, diesel and kerosene oil. It can be also used for Class A fire like fire due to organic material like wood, paper, fabric, textile and coal. Foam fire extinguisher is not suitable to stop the fire of kitchen fire, electrical equipment fire and flammable metal fires. Fire extinguisher is dry chemical powder fire extinguisher, which is also known as DCP fire extinguisher. The label color for dry chemical powder fire extinguisher is blue. Dry chemical powder fire extinguisher work by the process of chemical reaction on the fire. DCP or dry chemical powder fire extinguisher is very versatile fire extinguisher as it can work to stop the fire of Class A, Class B and Class C. Class C fire include the fire due to LPG and acetylene gases. Class C fire includes the fire due to flammable liquids like paint, petrol, kerosene oils, etc. And Class A fire includes the fire due to organic material like wood, paper, fabric, textile. The DCP also can be used to stop the fire on electrical equipment whose voltage is below 1000 volt. DCP or dry chemical powder fire extinguisher cannot be used to stop the fire of kitchen and to stop the fire of electrical equipment whose voltage is more than 1000 volt. DCP is also not advisable to use in the enclosed area. The fourth fire extinguisher is CO2 fire extinguisher. The label color for CO2 fire extinguisher is black. CO2 fire extinguisher work by removing the oxygen element of fire. CO2 fire extinguisher is best suitable for Class C fire. It can be also used to stop the fire of Class B. Class C fire includes the fire due to electrical equipment of any voltage. So, be remembered to stop any electrical fire, CO2 fire extinguisher is the best fire extinguisher to stop the electrical fire. CO2 fire extinguisher also can be used for Class B fire, which include flammable liquid like paint, petrol, diesel, and kerosene. The CO2 fire extinguisher cannot be used to stop the fire of kitchen combustible material of Class A like wood, paper, textile, and flammable materials. The fifth and last fire extinguisher is wet chemical fire extinguisher. The label color for wet chemical fire extinguisher is yellow. Wet chemical fire extinguisher contains the wet chemical inside the bottle. Wet chemical fire extinguisher can be used to stop the fire of Class F or Class K fires. This fire extinguisher can be used to stop the fire due to kitchen fire, cooking oil fire, fat fire. Wet chemical fire extinguisher also can be used to stop the fire due to paper, fabric, wood, coal. This fire extinguisher is not suitable to stop the fire due to flammable liquids, fire due to gas, fire due to electrical fire, or flammable metal fires.